Every chocolate story begins here, at sunrise on the cocoa farm. Every cocoa pod is picked with care, organized, hygienic, and precise. Fresh cocoa pods split open, pure beans exposed. Quality starts here. Cocoa beans sorted for size, purity, and excellence.
Sunlight draws out moisture, concentrating the cocoa's rich aroma.
From farm to factory, cocoa beans begin their controlled journey. Every label tells a story: Hazinga, origin, batch, and control. Controlled transport keeps cocoa quality intact until arrival.
From transport to intake, cocoa transitions under strict supervision.
Cocoa reaches the factory, and the next phase starts now. Beans move into clean storage bins under strict quality standards. Trained workers inspect and clean cocoa under strict safety protocols. Cocoa samples undergo testing to verify standards before the next step.
Cocoa beans move from storage directly into the roasting stage. Roasting awakens cocoa's true flavor.
Freshly roasted cocoa beans release a rich, irresistible aroma.
After roasting, cocoa beans are rapidly cooled to lock in flavor. Workers check the roast to ensure perfect cocoa development. Here, cocoa shells are stripped away by precision machinery. Pure cocoa nibs are separated from maltine, the heart of chocolate revealed. Grinding turns cocoa nibs into smooth, concentrated cocoa liquor.
Massive grinders process cocoa nibs into smooth cocoa liquor.
Smooth cocoa liquor flows out, thick, rich, and perfectly refined.
Sugar and milk powder blend into cocoa liquor inside massive mixing vats.
Sugar and milk dissolve, turning cocoa liquor into a smooth blend. With gentle motion, the chocolate becomes smoother and silkier. Conching rollers work for hours, smoothing chocolate to perfection.
The chocolate mixture enters conching nudging machines for deep refinement.
The chocolate moves into tempering machines for precise crystallization. Tempered chocolate pours smoothly into large cooling trays. Perfect tempering reveals chocolate's natural shine.
Workers prepare molds for the iconic KitKat bar shape.
Flour, water, and sugar are measured to start wafer production. Flour and water combine, creating the smooth dough for wafer layers. The dough is spread into perfect thin layers by the automated roller. Wafer sheets bake to a golden brown in large industrial ovens.
Wafer sheets are carefully monitored, ensuring the good crisp texture.
Baked wafer sheets are carefully cut into precise rectangular shapes. A rich layer of chocolate is spread over the freshly cut wafer sheets. Another layer of wafer completes the signature KitKat stack. The layers are pressed, creating the smooth, uniform shape of a KitKat bar. Cooling sets the bars, preparing them for the next stage. Molten chocolate is poured generously, enveloping the wafer layers. Liquid chocolate glides over the wafers, sealing every layer. Cooling tunnels lock the chocolate coating into place. Bars complete, ready to pack.
The finished bars move seamlessly to the wrapping section.
Wrapping machines seal each bar in foil, locking in freshness.
Every seal is exact, keeping the chocolate fresh and secure.
Foil-wrapped bars exit sealing through freshness locked.
High-speed wrappers apply the iconic red KitKat pack. Heat seals close, cooled. Branding locked, retail ready. Batch codes are applied, securing the bar's traceable journey.
Bars are transported efficiently to automated cartoning for packaging. The bars are placed into cartons by robotic arms. Automated sealing locks the cartons, holding each bar safely. Brand labels are applied, marking each carton as KitKat.
Product information and batch codes are printed on every label.
Robotic arms stack boxes into neat, secure pallets for transport. Spinting film locks every pallet firmly in place.
Finished pallets are transported to storage, awaiting the next step.
Each pallet is weighed to confirm accurate shipping weight. Pallets are carefully loaded into refrigerated trucks to keep KitKat bars fresh. Sealed trucks roll out, beginning their journey to stores.
Trucks roll toward their next stop, regional distribution centers, for retail delivery. Every pallet is checked and arranged, ensuring smooth retail delivery.
Rows of KitKat pallets are prepared for shipment at the distribution center.
Trucks roll out, bringing KitKat products to retail stores.
On the move to Henning, KitKat heads to retail.
Workers carefully arrange KitKat products on the shelves, ready for customers.
KitKat bars line the shelves, inviting customers to indulge.
Customers make their selection, reaching for KitKat. A white European family picks up KitKat bars from the checkout display, ready for a treat. KitKat's iconic logo is proudly displayed as bars are scanned at checkout.
Customers purchase their KitKat bars, heading out with their sweet treats.
KitKat is everywhere, Korea. Proudly displayed in stores across the country.
Each break shows off the crunchy wafer and smooth chocolate layers inside.
KitKat, shared moments, lasting memories.
Every bite of KitKat brings pure satisfaction, from the first crunch to the last.
KitKat, visible, familiar, unforgettable. KitKat B, premium chocolate, made for every day.